Digital Marketing Part 1.
In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 best free digital marketing tools and how to use them together to make viral content in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to write a blog post for a trending topic with a click of a button, and don't know how to quickly turn that blog post into a 1-minute video you can share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You don't need any skills to do this. It's absolutely free to do and only takes about 10 minutes. I'll share links to all these tools at the end of the video, so stick around for that too. Let's get started. The first free digital marketing tool is Google Trends. Google Trends is a great place to find viral content ideas because you can see what's trending across Google Search, Google News, and YouTube. To use Google Trends, go to trends.google.com and enter a search term or topic related to your business. For example, if I was an online fitness coach, I might enter how to lose fat, because this is what my target audience would be searching for. Next, you can refine your search by choosing the country your target audience is based in, changing the time frame to 90 days to find the latest trends, and selecting the specific Google site you want to see trending data for. Now scroll down to related queries. These are the related search terms exploding in popularity. For each rising search term, you see a percentage of the term's growth compared to the previous time period. If you see breakout instead of a percentage, it means that the search term grew by more than 5,000%.
So at 5,000% more people are searching for this term.
Wouldn't it be a good content idea to note down? Of course it would. They find more training searches. Go back and click on the right arrow at the bottom of the page or explore the related topics on the bottom left. Repeat the process a few times, and within minutes, you'll have a list of viral content ideas. Now that you know how to use Google Trends to find viral content ideas, let's look at our second free tool,